Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest tutorial session where we'll guide you through the process of creating a brand new account on Masterssh and customizing your HTTP settings for an enhanced experience with an HTTP proxy. Let's kick off this exciting journey together. To begin, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to Masterssh's official website located at masterssh.com. Once you've landed on their homepage, locate and click on the hamburger icon to reveal the menu options. Next, delve into the menu and opt for the feature labeled SSH plus WebSocket. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select your preferred server location from the regions of Asia, Europe, or America based on your individual needs. After selecting your desired server location, pick a server within that region that best aligns with your specific requirements. During the account setup process, remember to input just your password and leave the username field empty for simplicity. Once your account creation is successful, be sure to download your account details by clicking on the green download button provided on the platform. To further enhance your understanding of utilizing these account details for configuring HTTP custom settings with an HTTP proxy, don't forget to explore the tutorial video linked in the detailed description below. We truly appreciate your presence and engagement during this educational journey on initiating an account and customizing HTTP settings at Mastersshh. Should you require additional assistance or have any queries, please feel free to drop us a comment. Remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more enriching tech tutorials in the future. Thank you for tuning in.